Hey team! Happy to see you here again. In this specific segment, 103 divided by 103, which equals 1, and 103 divided by 103 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 103 divided by 103 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 103 divided by 103, and we can write this part as 1 over 103 divided by 103. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 103 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 103, which equals 1 over 10,609. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.